Well, we're out on site today. We've been asked to come and wrap these two boxes behind me, these two pillars, in a NH54 cover style. And they've been manufactured out of MDF and a plywood, and they've already been body filled. So it's pretty awesome. It's a really easy install. We're going to do a vertical drop all the way down. We're going to put our primer on after a light prep. But let's show you how we're going to get these pillars done. So as you can see, these pillars have been really nicely made. We've got MDF in the middle, and then you've got plywood around the edges over here, and it feels really smooth. The guys have already done quite a lot of work with the body filler. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a once over, and then we're going to put on our new high-tech primer. It's a water-based primer from Cover Styl. We're going to let it dry for an hour, and then we're going to wrap our film. A quick sand to get rid of any high spots. Then we apply a generous coating of our high-tech primer and wait for an hour before application. For this application, we make various cuts in the backing paper, as we want to only open the film in the middle and then leave the paper on the film on the sides so that it won't touch anywhere it's not supposed to. We line up the film and open the center first. We apply it from the top all the way down to the bottom before we start opening the right and the left hand sides. Taking care not to get any bubbles trapped as we go around the corner. And then of course we're going to finish into the corner where it meets the wall, where we're going to trim it carefully, and of course post heating, making sure that we get rid of any trapped air bubbles in there, and of course it's going to help the adhesive cure and stick nicely to our primer. Well, I'm super stoked the way these two columns came out with our NH54 concrete Cover Styl. There was quite a lot of time taken to prep the panels correctly. They were in pretty good shape. We put our water-based primer on, we applied and we post-heated, and I think our customer is going to be really happy. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button.